How to use emotional tapping to emotionally connect to women. 1. Be a decent communicator. Great correspondence is a basic component when you need to construct a passionate association with a lady. Be that as it may, how would you become a decent communicator? Essentially, you need to have a decent to and fro when chatting with the lady you are keen on. You would prefer not to overwhelm or control the discussion, however you would prefer not to be a finished contemplative person who doesn't offer any reaction to her inquiries. In a perfect world, your discussions will include a fair sharing of inquiries and reactions. You need to converse with her without different interruptions close by, no checking of your wireless each time it blares, and effectively hear her out reactions. To give her that you have heard what she has stated, revamp it back to her. For instance, she says, "I truly prefer to climb on ends of the week." Your reaction may be, "It seems like you appreciate being out in nature." 2. Offer who you truly are. Need to realize how to interface with ladies who are certified as well. The appropriate response is straightforward. Certified ladies react to trustworthiness. The skirt chaser who utilizes all the old conversation starters is probably not going to make a decent passionate association with a lady. Scarcely any men are as smooth as James Bond, however you should be. Act naturally. Offer what you are energetic about. Discussion about your work on the off chance that you love it. On the off chance that you don't, talk about what you may do to change the circumstance. In the event that an enthusiastic association will be made, it should be between two individuals who are indicating each other precisely what their identity is. Be forthright and common so she gets the opportunity to go gaga for what you bring to the table, and not some made-up picture that you think you have to depict. Regardless of whether you think you are strange, given your abnormal banner a chance to fly. She may cherish your sort of bizarre. 3. Enable her to share who she really is, as well. As your passionate association extends, you will feel increasingly more quiet with one another, which is an incredible thing. Let her realize that she can be totally open with you, sharing her feelings of dread, dreams and expectations. She can be defenseless before you, and you will in any case love her completely. She shouldn't be superbly made up, dressed to the nines with perfectly styled hair for you to interface with her. Let her realize she is flawless, simply the manner in which she is. 4. Contact and kiss, regardless of how secure you are in the relationship. Keep up the physical, non-sexual contact. Kiss her sweetly without forcing her for more is a decent method to shape an enthusiastic holding with a lady that you love. Contacting her in a manner to associate, not similarly as an approach to state "I need to have intercourse," addresses ladies on a profoundly enthusiastic level. So kiss her neck when she is washing the dishes. Embrace her tight before you leave for work. What's more, consistently kiss her before you rest. Regardless of whether it's anything but a prelude to lovemaking, in the event that you need a superior passionate association with a lady for the long stretch. This additionally clears the interest about how to make closeness with a lady. It is for sure the little, continuous advances that constantly matter.